Next up is 4DiVISION. Nice to meet you, Mr. Lee. So please proceed with your presentation. Then after that, uh, proceed to with the Q&A session. Thank you.
Yeah, hold on, let me show my presentation. Uh, can you see IR material?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me get started with my presentation. Yeah, hello and bonjour, Leo, and
Bonjour.
yeah, yeah. I'm the founder and also CEO of the 4DI Vision. Yeah, we are located in Seoul, and then yeah, we are basically a 3D sensor company, also physical AI provider. So for smart factory and autonomous manufacturing. Mm. So our company's mission actually beyond 3D. It means the based on our own 3D sensor, its precision very high. It's some millimeters, and then also we are all moisture content analysis, and then also to generate the autonomous the sequence of robot behavior. So like the pick up a rotten apple by human command, the humanoid or other robot make the planning their sequence of tasks autonomously. Yeah. That's our mission. Maybe you will not know about the this kind of machine vision trend. That actually, there it's called the machine vision area, specifically in smart factory solution. In these days, the 3D sensor and then algorithm fast growing sector out of all these those areas. Yeah, this is just the classification of the 3D sensor technique. So our the 3D sensor corresponds to those two class. One is the laser profiler for inspection, and then structural IC sensor actually for manipulation. Yeah. Maybe have you not heard about the radar technique for navigation?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
So what's the problem of the current the 3D sensor beam picking solution market? Or fragmented by the solution provider. So it's very hard to for the system integrator to consolidate those components for autonomous project. So that's why we provide all-in-one solution. It means sensor or sensor plus, and then the AI solution plus, and then robot control all-in solution by just purchasing our sensor. It enables the for system integrator to lower the cost and then easier and then improve success rate. So who are our customers? Uh, First one is the system integrator, and then uh, robot arm maker. The other remained actually the owners of large factories. So we are the Orion solution. Actually, we are Jetson, NVIDIA Jetson based the accelerator, so we can provide the uh, 2D image and then 3D point cloud processing on our three sensors. So we can reduce the data transmission time, and then also the other the customize the hardware sensor and AI solution for targeted each industry. So actually, our 3D sensors lineup are very easily customized based on our optics and then hardware techniques. So uh, long range model actually for uh, car maker or ship maker, like making large object. And the short range is near based technique, so it can target it for a smaller the project object. So yeah, what's the usual the use case for uh, using robot arm and our 3D sensor and the AI? Actually, most of factories task consists of yeah, those kind of basic skills like guidance. Guidance means the uh, for robot arm to be pressed into wanted uh, position exactly, very precisely, like screwing or the welding, this kind of project task. And then palletizing means, yeah, let me show the demonstration. Actually, it easily understood. Oh, so yeah, yeah. This is you can see the demonstration. This is called pallet. So palletization means the uh, robot arm picking up some parts, yeah, order parts inside, and then yeah, pick it out and then put down inside the pallet. This is called the palletizing task. And then yeah, let me show you this demonstration. You can see this yeah, our 3D sensor mounted on collaborate robot arm. You can see the demonstration how this works, yeah, precisely. It finds the center of the small center of bolt, and then it exerts some torque to screw. And then the use case is beam picking, like inside the beam, inside the box, yeah, randomly the uh, randomly the picking up some the object, object by object. This is called beam picking. This is our simulator based the um, yeah, programming tools. So our approach is two ways. The one is the broaden the sensor line, like tessera view and the laser view, mirror view for transparent surface like glass. What's the our major competitors in the world is actually the Forneo GBD is the 3D sensor provider based on Norway and Slovakia. And then PKD is the Belgian uh, company which provide the beam picking solution. So our approach is the different from those company. We provide the 3D sensor and then customized AI solution at the same time. That's the difference. And the MakerMind is China-based, the 3D sensor maker. Their the approach is kind of similar to us, but the key difference, we don't require any PC. So yeah, I'd like to say this difference between MakerMind and us. And then the second way is the how to make low programming easier in accordance to some process change. So easy low programming uh, bring the robot arm and the 3D sensor the versatility and the flexibility. So actually no coding, yeah, we are doing some research about the no coding system autonomously generate robot behavior based on large language model. But the current stage is just a low coding system, right? Mostly low coding system. So our scale of strategy is from started to well structured, well defined the large smart factories to uh, small to medium enterprise or the household service. So firstly, the our target is the well-defined, like this, the current factory actually the division work based on principle of division work, actually well-defined, divided, well-defined industry by industry. So Korean government actually issued some books about this traditional 12 industry and what's the required the steps for the automation. So and also collecting some data. So we are targeted those this traditional production line. So our the you can see our the simulator based the AI engine deployment the procedure. So first the simulator. So simulator actually the we build up this those kind of the basic skills for beam picking and then guidance and then palletizing for several industries. So and then so simulator based the validation after that validation, yeah, each the task required to deploy the from these our servers for just require the task like pick up the board and then find the and then place the board and then yeah center board alignment. So those are the sequence of tasks programmed by the common the application programmer. So that's why semi-structured and then yeah, low coding system by using our visual the robot programming tool. And then even also yeah, doing research about the robot foundation model. So current the open source and and then proprietary the robot foundation model actually different consists of two networks. One is the understanding and then um, decompose one task into subtasks. The next, yeah, reactive, yeah, programming controller. Also, we are getting the smaller data set from each task, each industry, and then fine tuning our the action expert network. So currently, our major customer is the South Korea-based the large company like LG Electronics and the LS Electronic. So we are just starting mass production, and then after some POCs, yeah, we are gonna expand our market into globally, North America and then Europe. So we are actually validation like the proof of product like the CE and the NCC. This is our prediction of revenue. So yeah, we like to get invested in more than 2 millions to global investors. So yeah, last year, yeah, from actually 2022, yeah, we are many experience for yeah, uh, global exhibition like Barcelona and then Paris and then Chicago and then last week we attended the Computex in held in Taiwan. So yeah, yeah, this is our team. Usually, uh, yeah, we have a very large engineering team, like hardware, firmware, AI, and then yeah. yeah, this is our the collaborator, and then B2B means the our customers, and then B2G is some government funded, yeah, R&D project, and then uh, lower bottom is the our academic partners, and then yeah, we are actually the experience in the French the uh, culture. Actually, last summer we had stayed in Montreal in for collaboration with Mila. Do you know? Yeah, Mila is a famous, yeah, founded by Professor Yoshia Benjo. So there we've been doing some physical AI research, and then from next month, yeah, we are gonna establish a new corporate based in on Toronto area. So, thank you again. Yeah,
All right. Thank you very much for all
yeah.
the
Do you want
explanation and your time. Um, I will start with the first question, as I said, and then I will ask more specific question. But the first one would be, what's your goal in attending VivaTech? Are you trying to meet industry leaders, or are you trying to understand the global market? Uh, what are you hoping for in VivaTech?
VivaTech actually, as I mentioned, uh, we were our the previous the prototype actually the 3D facial scanner for the cosmetic and then the skincare company like L'Oreal actually LVMH. So 3 years ago I had been at Paris. So we already had some meetings with the L'Oreal and then uh, LVMH. So we can there's another prototype actually for uh, 3D facial scanner. So we can collaborate with the French companies for for 3D facial scanner, or otherwise, the French, yeah, has some famous large language model company like what's the name? Maybe
Mistral?
Mistral AI, Mistral actually, Quebec and then France very the tight connection within AI community. So so we can collaborate with the Mistral or other AI company for the to generate the autonomous robot behavior. Mm.
Okay, that's good. And right now, I understand that using image recognition with cameras and picture only, are you mixing technology?
We Actually, let me show the what's the this is this actually 3D sensor. 3D sensor means this output is the oh, our 3D sensor produce the 2D image and the 3D point cloud. So that's the difference. So with this kind of structural 3D sensor, we can measure the 3D orientation of object and then some millimeter the precision. That's the actually big difference using just a 2D image or video image. So without the 3D sensor, we can do the manipulation task. Manipulation task usually require some millimeter precision. You understand that? Actually,
Yeah, yeah.
human, manipulation actually, it's a real meaning actually. Actually, real work means the manipulation by hand.
Okay. And all the image recognition and all the calculation is made offline or online on your server?
Offline. Actually, yeah, yeah. Actually, the we can know in advance what's their process, manufacturing process require what kind of task. Like actually, it's different, like the unstructured. So that's the classification. between the semi-structured and then totally unstructured. We can know in advance what's the factory environment is like and then what steps required. So we just need the uh, like this example, yeah, we can know the required the skill set. So yeah, that's the yeah simulation verified. Yeah, this kind of the sequence of the basic skills download onto our sensor. So without connecting to other servers or other PCs, just by our sensor itself can conduct this kind of task.
Okay. Okay, one last question because we're running out of time.
Yeah.
Are you already on the market and ready to ship volume of sensor, or you still on more research and prototype time? Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. Actually, the we have done many POC proof of concept, and then LS actually already uh adapting our sensor their real manufacturing process, manufacturing lines. So they are in line. So we are actually selling our 3D sensors and the AI solution. And then this is our LG Electronics, the air purifier. So yeah. So yeah. We are
Okay.
just our the production capacity just currently as of now just the uh 10 unit per month. So we are planning to increase 100 unit per month.
Okay, that's good. Good. Okay. Thank you for your time and all the explanation. I really hope you can have success in VivaTech.